Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video today, I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with an HP Color LaserJet EnterPrise MFP X677 printer.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Alright guys, so I have already opened my tray. So you have these little blue tabs here. This one is going to be for the size of paper that you're using. You want to make sure it's in the correct position. And then you have this one right here. This will change for the size of media you're using, whether it's envelopes, labels, anything like that. So you want to make sure those are in their locking position. You also have these little tabs right here. This is going to be your max level indicator. You never want to feel too close to that. Otherwise, it'll be really hard for the printer to pick up paper and feed it through the machine. Another thing that you want to do, anytime you are adding paper to your tray, you never just want to just like kind of throw it in there. As you can see, it's not aligned. So what we suggest is to take your new paper, take your old paper out, and you want to mix it together, fan it out, and then go ahead and align all at the same time. Once you do that, then you can stick it in the printer at one time. If you do these tips and tricks, it will help you eliminate some jams, but not all. Alright guys, I've showed you the common causes of a paper jam. Thank you for watching our video and have a wonderful day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.